Hey everybody, it's Miss Goodwin. All right, so first things first, for all my students who are in class watching this, number one, it's my sister's birthday, the substitute, Miss Goodwin. So make sure you wish her a happy birthday. On the count of three, everyone just wish it. It'll be awesome. It'll be great. It'll be fantastic. So she'll love it. Definitely make sure to do that and then watch this video, obviously, which is what you're doing. Then you have a warm-up to complete. So go to your warm-up. You have a quick video. It's like 2 minutes. It's about Thanksgiving. It's all these fun, interesting facts about the holiday. And you have to tell me one thing you learned from the video and then what your favorite Thanksgiving dish is and why. You do have to answer both in order to get full credit. And then today what you're focusing on is your conclusion, which is your last paragraph of your rough draft. Now, some of my students I know only got through like 1 or 2 of their body paragraphs. So go finish that up first, and then you can work on your conclusion. And again, I want you to remember these aren't meant to be perfect right now because it is a rough draft. It's just meant for you to have a nice starting point for when we come back after the break, so that way we can really make them perfect. So on your conclusion is actually like a reverse introduction. Instead of putting your thesis at the end, you're going to restate your thesis in a different way and put it at the beginning. And then instead of giving background knowledge, you're actually going to summarize everything you did. And then instead of having an intention getter, you want to leave with a closing remark that, again, grabs their attention and makes them think about everything you just had. Leaves your paper going, oh, wow, they really did have a good point. Maybe I should have thought of that earlier. Or, wow, their argument was really good. Now I kind of agree with them. So I've put my introduction and my conclusion right next to each other so you can kind of see how they match up. When you write an introduction, you write it from top, so this is the first sentence, to bottom. This is the last sentence. In the conclusion, you write from the bottom to the top. So this is my first sentence in my conclusion. This is my last sentence in my conclusion. And you can kind of see how they match up. And then there's my conclusion paragraph all together. Once you finish, you're going to click on this rough draft right here, and you'll submit it in the rough draft box by uploading either a file or a picture of your rough draft. Make sure it's where I can see how many paragraphs you have and can kind of see what you have going on. Don't just take a picture of the first one if you're doing pictures. And then I did want to show y'all, I put up this optional extra credit earlier this week. It is going to replace the lowest daily grade if you're interested, but it's right here for y'all to do. It does need to be answered in complete sentences. But other than that, the rest of the time is yours, and it's our last day before break, so I hope y'all have an amazing holiday. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you. Stay safe. I love you all. Can't wait to see you when we come back on that Monday because I'll be back in class. Bye, y'all.